Pest control. Many pests such as flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches can mechanically transmit disease pathogens and compromise the research environment. Even the presence of innocuous insects can contribute to the perception of unsanitary conditions. Mosquitoes can cause vector-borne diseases by transmitting viruses and protozoans within healthcare systems. Rodents can damage tubing and wirings of equipment, causing breakdowns and short circuits. They can also be a cause of transmission for diseases like leptospirosis. Pest control mechanisms. The most common approach to pest control has been the application of pesticides either as a preventive or remedial measure. Pesticides can be effective and may be necessary as a corrective measure, but they have limited long-term effect when used alone. Pesticides also can contaminate the environment through pesticide drift and volatilization. Integrated Pest Management, that is IPM. To control pests and minimize the use of pesticides, it is necessary to employ a comprehensive program approach that integrates housekeeping, maintenance, and pest control services. This method of pest control is often referred to as IPM. The primary goal of an IPM program is to prevent pest problems by managing the facility environment to make it less conducive to pest infestation. Along with limited applications of pesticides, pest control is achieved through proactive operational and administrative intervention strategies to correct conditions that foster pest problems. Various factors must be considered for pest control. Structural deficiencies and poor building maintenance. Floors, walls, and ceilings must be of approved tight-fitting material which does not permit entrance and breeding places for pests. Harborage. Buildings and equipment harboring pests must be repaired promptly. Broken areas and cracks in the walls and ceilings or separations at adjoining surfaces must be sealed with approved material promptly. Areas accessible by rodents must be sealed with concrete, brick, or other approved rodent-proof material immediately. Floor drain strainers must be effective and kept in place at all times to prevent rodent entry through sewer lines. Windows that open to the outside must be properly screened to prevent insect entry. Monitoring. Monitoring is the central activity of a good pest management program and is used to minimize pesticide use. Traps, visual inspections, and staff interviews identify areas and conditions that may foster pest activity. Sanitation and facility maintenance. Many pest problems can be prevented or corrected by ensuring proper sanitation, reducing clutter and pest habitat, and by performing repairs that exclude pests. Record keeping. A logbook should be used to record pest activity and conditions pertinent to the laboratory policy. It may contain protocols and procedures for pest control services in that facility, material safety data sheets on pesticides, pesticide labels, treatment records, floor plans, survey reports, etc. Non-pesticide pest control. Pest control methods such as trapping, exclusion, caulking, washing, and freezing can be applied safely and effectively when used in conjunction with proper sanitation and structural repair. Pest control with pesticides. Preventive applications of pesticides should be discouraged and treatments should be restricted to areas of known pest activity. When pesticides are applied, the least toxic products available should be used and applied in the most effective and safe manner.